What is research and should I take part in it? What is the benefit of taking part in research? If I take part in research, then who will use the information I've provided and how? And how do researchers ensure that my data is protected and kept safe? This video will help you to answer these questions for health research that involves collecting information from patients. When information about your health condition combines with the information of other people like you, then new information or knowledge is created. This information can help researchers to understand your experience living with a health condition and interacting with healthcare services. It can also help healthcare organizations to improve the ways in which your health is being managed. This will help you and your friends and family and other people like you. So why not take part in this noble cause? Sometimes people might have some concerns which might stop them from taking part in health research. I will try to address these concerns with the help of a 5 safe set of principles. First is safe project, and this considers whether the research project is ethical and in the public interest. Behind every research project, there is a team of trained professionals who are working for an organization, usually a university or a healthcare organization. Researchers are involved in planning what information will be collected and how that information will be used for public's benefit. The organization will ensure that project is being carried on ethical basis, which guide research procedures. Second is safe people. Here we consider whether the data is being used appropriately by authorized and trained persons. To prevent wrong and unauthorized use of your data, only a few people in the research team will have access to your data for a specific period. All this is covered under the data protection principles, and all researchers need to regularly undertake training in data protection. Third is safe data. Here we ensure that the data has been processed to protect confidentiality and minimize the risk of identifying individuals. If research involves collecting data from you, then it is the researcher's responsibility to conduct this in an appropriate place, where you can share information freely without others listening. In research, this is called privacy. Then in a private place, information from you is collected either with the use of a questionnaire or in a form of recording. Then it is the researcher's responsibility to use that information in a way which does not identify you as a person. For example, name, contact. In the research, this is called confidentiality. Fourth is safe settings. Here we ensure that there are technical controls that allow access to and prevent unauthorized use of data. Most importantly, your data or information can't be shared with anyone without your consent. This is a binding on a researcher and the organization to store data in a secure place and use information according to your permission. Fifth is safe outputs. This concerns if the data is checked before going into the public domain. Research findings are checked to make sure that nobody is able to work out who the research participants are. And this is a basic responsibility of a researcher and the organization to use and share your data according to your consent, because this is your basic right. So, by following these 5 principles, we ensure your information is used correctly and stored and assessed in a safe way. So please come forward and support health research by getting involved.